I hope you enjoy this irresistible French fried chicken wings with mango sauce. To start, we have here some chicken wing. I'm just going to pull it out of the package. So we have here our chicken wing, and I'm just going to go ahead and separate the drums from the flats. So you have here the drum and the flat. Next, we're going to rinse the wings with vinegar to reduce the rawness from them and season with our homemade blended season. We have here our washed chicken, egg, salt, my blended season. So I'm going to add some of the blended season to this in here. Then I'm going to massage, rub the season in. Guys, if you want to, what you could do is make the egg into a separate container, dip the wings into the egg, but this is what I prefer to do. Ensure that everything is coated. Here guys, I know it's a little bit messy, but yeah. So you want to ensure that everything is coated. I'm going to add some milk. Next, I'm going to prepare the mixture for the crust. So I'm using here 1.5 cup of flour, and I'm just going to drizzle a bit of Maggi all-purpose seasoning in it. Can locate my tongue. Alright guys, so we have the mixture with the wings, the seasoned wings right here, and we have here the flour to make the crust for the chicken wings. So first, take one of the wings, just like this, and you dip it into the flour, coat it. just going to repeat this process. So it can be heated a little bit more. So we're going to allow the wings to fry until they're golden brown. To make the mango sauce, I'm using here a Julie mango, and I'm cutting it into small pieces. Then I'm going to add it to the bullet blender. Blend until smooth. If you have any mango, you can go ahead and use a mango of your choice. Afterwards, in a pan, I'm going to pour the mango puree into the pot on low heat. Then I'm going to add some ketchup, tubes of barbecue sauce, half teaspoon of lime juice, half teaspoon of vinegar. I'm going to turn the heat very low, mix everything, combine everything, and allow it to simmer until the sauce is thick. So this is our fried chicken, looking very scrumptious and delicious, guys. Very mouth watering. I can't wait, guys. Good. Alright guys, so this is the final result, our mango sauce with our French fried chicken wings. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, give this video a thumbs up. Comment guys, comment down below. Let's see you in the comment section. Share up the video, share with a friend, and if you enjoy this video, just hit the subscribe button so you can be notified. Once the subscribe button is red, that means you haven't yet subscribed. Once it's gray, that means you're subscribed. Turn on your notification so you can be notified whenever we drop some bomb ass authentic Jamaican recipe. Want to check out more of our videos? Check these out.